Hi guys, it's February 14th, 2010, and we decided to do the getaway for St. Valentine's Day. Me and Christopher went to Naples, New York, and this is the room where we are staying. So you see this huge fantastic bed, and everything is so fancy and quaint in this room. Like every single detail is so incredibly chosen and put together. The owner of this place is very much into dogs and horses. Therefore, the pictures of dogs and horses are pretty much everywhere, not only in our room but in the whole Vagabond Inn hotel. And this fireplace is just phenomenal. I have to admit that it's a little bit too many mirrors everywhere. And now I will show you exactly what I mean by going to the bathroom. I have never seen so many mirrors ever in my life. This is the hot tub that we used probably twice for an hour or so. And you can see that mirrors are all over the place. So basically you can see each other or yourself no matter where you are, and you can see me. That's why I'm saying that it was very difficult to take pictures without me being in it. But it's pretty fantastic. The low dim light creates this romantic atmosphere, so I wouldn't even imagine a better place for such a great romantic getaway. So this is what it is. It's all made of real wood, which makes it really feeling like it's a wooden hut, or I don't know, it's like a lodge, I guess. So that's what it is, and it would be really sad today to leave this place simply because it's just all about romance and all about this fantastic atmosphere of warmth and coziness. So I'm glad that we did it, although we do miss our little Lexi. Thank you very much. Bye bye.